Drip machines is in office. Drip machines as in South Municipal. Drip machines as in Wejagbawe.
Abuza from Mamu na makwaba e de bagana and Sem TV so. But all this be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo also TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo also. Ko yin na dream say that be ano e between the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die. The need to Sudan say man we need that be na the be ameka asem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here.
Drip machines is in office. Drip machines as in South Municipal. Drip machines as in Wejagbawe. Ebesi and there. So, and we are need a so coin. I was here for Mesha Munina, a piece of money, old barrier. Atala has say enemy jina video yi odi obi mo ne hu musuo no wa me kan kira me say me NPP ana me NDC e wo video ya say obetepe abusia ensuo no start say endra ade e bechi endra eni ensuo no e sha ase e bo be ye say 11 e ko 12 no na e tia ne sa ya ka say 1 o'clock and our boy. So, a kwanya a free kaswa ediba old barrier, a free SCC air banner. A post for a blockade. I don't know my blockade because any ensuono, and that's why it's in the Mosha last week at the drip machine ba ko bedru hanum say no ofi Wejagbawe ene baaye ba bi akọ ni free baaye de yanim police ni so nim driver na no wono ne de drip machine ne baaye no wo operate no ono ni betimi a kire ba bi akọ ni free baaye o receive call ni wie ya wose yese won from car ne bra offer drip machine na wode ababa se nwia ne wo kwan ne so no drip machine na enye assembly ne dia drip machine na eye Ghana exika and ye de toye drip machines na ye Ghana japade no wode aba ye Ghana adwuma no assembly obi afrani fi assembly hono mo say offer drip machines ni mramesi office obi me politics wo mi video ya say obi hu me ya bra ne ya mode ya bra ne ya mode endra MTTD officer wo car ne ho wo drip machine ne ho and wo pa driver na chow mesrawo sekudia tuwa bi fi se kwan no both sides ni na block cars no wen wa ha wo mu ntibi twa mo ko ba bi o mo ko MTTD
Numa president oba so oba be solve Ghanaians problem president oba so be creating numa dia ma youth president ne ba ya watem 27 million US dollars e dia kwa akoto sanity pad dia be chama nkora So we a journalist. Now what? And now we are. If this is no my Ghana and into my perfuda. So we a journalist. Now what's the war fighting for Ghana? On fighting for propaganda. Oh, on fighting for personal interest. On fighting for selfishness. And yes, Kumasi Kurase. What's the would year 24 hours economy policy? Ebe si den as a market na wakwa siasi akurana ase no ebe contain 24 hours economy policy. Yey. Ochi asemo kan. O se what dollar so. Na dollar na wa te so no entime reflect to nimpa bra bo a wonye hwe. What dollar so? Enso nioma bo ayedin. What dollar so? Enso ye ntwade. What dollar so? Youth ni adwuma ye. What dollar so? Nurses gufia wo mu nya adwuma nye. What dollar so? Teachers gufia wie school wo mu nya adwuma nye. What dollar so? Yes, hospitals no. Wo mu nimpa wo mu beda so. What dollar so? Yentia nurses ka. What dollar so? Yentia teachers ka. Inti dia pa na chere se amambo na NDC bu na ya papa. Dia na chere. Se dollar was 11 cedi. Se dollar no. Se dollar it was 17 cedi. And then na kufu ado. Na ye ton ade na ye to. Na nyoma boa ye de ba stay now ye to. Na dollar ba 11 cedi under NDC government. By ye ta de ye nto. Enyoma na ne boa ye de ne stay now koso a na ekoso. Ade na ekire wo, de na speak kire wo. Ade na ekire wo se NDC phone faili. Ade na ekire wo. Ade na ekire pass NDC party ni mfeli, NDC government ni mfeli. Ade na ekire.
Oso va so pa ne se NDC party. Oso ne fa so bia oso. So you cannot rescue Ghana. But catch up boko. Me ne ma ka say I'm very calm because mba no mo ye fragile. Me catch up plan. Ka wano atum. A Dr. Baumia went to me for number from Ghana for name Dr. Baumia. Obi any mo boss ko na work ano. Ghana for name no. Yet outside we know him. All my ben also they know him. And you can never bring such a person down, my dear. Tempest when said the table will turn one day. And after that, what next? Even the next NDC government or administration will not consider you. They are using you temporarily. It is sure who see that can one at two. When you say me no baby, the problems women never brought now. So shut up. I'm a obushwa for okay? Good.
So Kennedy Japan saying he's left the party.
I haven't heard it. I have not heard it. And
that is brother.
If I have never been heard about his brother, I only heard about him.
Right.
And like I am, when you are in a political party, it does not mean whether your brother should also be in a political party. I don't know whether he's also there.
No, he's
so for this comment, I haven't heard it.
Okay.
So if indeed that is what he said, maybe it can be true and it can be false. It's like with Honorable Kennedy or in Japan to dispute that. And we talk about a committee. He talked about a committee that was set up in Ashanti region because of Kennedy. I put it on record here from the National Secretariat of the party. No committee was set up in Ashanti region purposely for Kennedy Ohini Ajapong. We set up one committee headed by Professor Reverend Mike Okay.
Oh, what are we talking about?
To investigate and also to interact with the party people and come out with a report. And that is something that has been done. Again, the huge defeat that happened in this country
Yes.
for the first time was 2016. 2016. The 2024 is just the second, overlapping that of the 2016. The NDC was slapped with a huge defeat.
Yeah, close to 1 million, you say.
Yes.
Today,
And look,
today,
it disintegrated the entire NDC.
Oh,
I visited him in Techima when they sat down to do a collation. This man could not even drink his tea.
Oh, you're talking about
yes, computer.
Computer.
They could not even come with resource. And let me tell you.
Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBK, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBK borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is yen because of time. But those ones it really component go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact equipping hospitals not all right but because of political tantrums and political gains many look at say hospitals and they go sana no me say it is a Kenyan you say na no me nyina be ya it is can kan dey wasa botumi we say oh I mean say we say people for akonfo name ma akonfo ti ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo akonfo ti ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo you say anya Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na 10 afi dem kekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko no ntu with the greatest of respect. Omo nko no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nko no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nko no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women no nko no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho. 2020 do they will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yenketenkete ya adwen yenketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest kwa ye yenketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introducing electric or electronic bus systems, most people can't get it. Is there anyone? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me who papa, and I feel I'm going to watch them. Men are warning was such a message. Men are not catching you. The many members all members come to Mutuana. Yewa. Digitalization, you start to say, yeah, most of the digitalization and talking, it's more kinky sika. It's a mamu papa naba, omo mamu kinke, and mamu added a mokam. You will come here. And you are John the money, Mamma could not, if I say, and can form Gaffon catch up say, oh, Gaffon, oh, I'm only kinky and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but to Abanama boom, 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 much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear Koya cried a menu now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member Buta region. Now, Miss Films, hey, Ramona Chapa, ya happiness say, where I can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, letter now was say Council of State member no, were ye former staff, a man am one, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or hot da. And Onya Juma or hot da. I'm a number one for the first time, number one I post. Oh yes, now why you post?
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.